हेलो एवरीवन। लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे और चैप्टर का नाम है अ लेटर टू गॉड। अ लेटर टू गॉड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ वाज लैंचोज हार्वेस्ट डिस्ट्रॉयड? हाउ वाज लैंचोज हार्वेस्ट डिस्ट्रॉयड? आंसर, Lencho was a farmer. His earth needed a downpour or at least a shower. He was sure that it would rain as he had seen clouds in the northeast. One day, during the meal, big drops of rain began to fall. Lencho went out and was very happy as the raindrops amounted to coins. His fields will yield rich crops due to these raindrops. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstone began to fall. The boys ran out to collect hailstones which appeared like frozen pearls. For an hour, the hail rained everywhere, including Lancho's cornfield. The field was white as if covered with salt. The flowers were gone from the plants. The corn was totally destroyed. Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. Question number 2. How do you know that Lancho was a firm believer of God? How do you know that Lancho was a firm believer of God? Answer, Lancho was a hard-working farmer. Once his corn was ripe, he needed some rain. It started raining. He became very happy, but all of a sudden it turned into hailstone. His crops was entirely destroyed. He was sad. He was sad. Now his only hope was to seek help from God. He had firm faith in God, so he wrote a letter to God. The postmaster opened the letter addressed to God. He laughed heartily. But soon he became serious. He said, I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter. He decided to help Lancho. He collected money from his employees. He also gave a part of his salary. He sent money to Lancho in an envelope. Due to his firm faith, Lancho was not surprised to see the money. Thus, we know that Lancho was a firm believer of God. Now, question number 3. How do you know that Lancho was hard working? How do you know that Lancho was hard working? Answer, Lancho lived with his family in a house which was built on a low hill in a valley. It was the only house in the entire valley. Lancho was a hard-working farmer. He entirely depended on his field for his living. His fields promised a rich harvest. By chance, there was a heavy rain. Along with the rain, large hailstones also fell down. As a result, his crops totally destroyed. There was no one to help him. The greatest shock to Lancho about his work was that he did work throughout the day but got nothing. He wrote a letter to God to ask for 100 pesos in order to sow his field again and for his living. In this way, we know that Lancho was hard working. Question number 4. Why did Lancho write a letter to God? What was written in the letter? Why did Lancho write a letter to God? What was written in the letter? Answer, Lancho was a hard-working farmer with a large family. Once the much-needed and pleasant rain was followed by very large hailstones, and the corn standing in Lancho's field was totally destroyed. Nothing was left for the poor Lancho and his family. So he wrote a letter to God asking him for 100 pesos in order to sow his field again and for living until the new crops came. The letter was received by a postman. The postmaster also read it. He collected 70 pesos and sent it to Lencho. Question number 5. Give a brief character sketch of the postmaster. Answer. Number 1 point है a fat amiable fellow. The postmaster was a fat amiable fellow. When the postman showed him a letter addressed to God, he broke out laughing. Number 2. Point number 2. Faith in God. The postmaster had deep faith in God. He was surprised to see Lencho's faith in God. He said, "What a faith! I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter." Point number 3. Kind and sympathetic. The postmaster saw the letter addressed to God. He read the content of the letter. He decided to help Lencho. He could not arrange money in full. He collected some money from his employers. He also gave a part of his salary. Thus, he helped Lencho. This shows his kindness. Question number 6. Was Lencho justified in calling the post office employees as a bunch of crooks? Answer. Post office employees were nice and generous. They laughed when they saw Lencho's letter addressed to God, but soon they became serious because they were impressed by Lencho's faith in God. They decided to send him some money. They collected 70 pesos and sent it to Lencho. When Lencho opened the envelope, he found in it only 70 pesos, whereas he had asked God for 100 pesos. He thought the post office people had taken away 30 pesos from the envelope, so he called them bunch of crooks. He was not justified in calling them crooks, but it only shows his firm faith in God and his innocence. Question number 7. What kind of people were the post office employees? Answer. The post office employees were kind, generous, and honest people. They laughed when they saw Lencho's letter addressed to God, but soon they became serious because they were impressed by Lencho's faith in God. They decided to send him some money. They collected 70 pesos and sent it to Lencho. In this way, they helped a farmer in his need. They did not disappoint a person with utmost faith in God. Question number 8. Give a brief character sketch of Lencho. Answer. Point number 1. A hard-working farmer. Lencho was a hard-working farmer. He worked hard in his field. He worked like an ox, so he had a good crop. Point number 2. His deep faith in God. His family had nothing to eat. He believed that God would not let them die to hunger, so he wrote a letter to God requesting to send him 100 pesos. Point number 3. God's help. The postmaster received the letter through the mail. He opened the letter and read. He collected some money from his employees. He also gave a part of his salary. To see the great faith of Lencho, the postmaster was also surprised. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.